Hey folks, welcome to week number 2. We're getting our feet underneath us. So first things to do this week, watch the week 2 video. You're doing that right now, congratulations. Then look over the plagiarism materials. In the plagiarism materials section, we've got a few things. This link, called Did I Plagiarize? Sort of a guideline to understanding whether or not you've cited things properly. Ethical use in citing sources is a brief chapter from our e-text. Please take a look at that. And then this link from the University of Southern Mississippi's plagiarism tutorial and test. I want you to go ahead and go here. Okay, so there's a huge tutorial here. What is plagiarism? Citing your sources, works cited, quoting. Then there are 2 practice quizzes. When you are done, I want you to go ahead and take the test. It's a bunch of true-false questions. Hit submit quiz, and then just do a print screen on this and email it to me. You can do this however you want. Again, just take a screenshot or a print screen of the completed test and submit it to, sorry, not email, submit it to the assignment folder. And right here, upload completed quiz screenshot. So you can do a screenshot, you can pull your phone out, snap a picture of the fact that you completed the test. I don't care how you do it. Just go ahead and do that, okay? Then, if you've got any more questions about citation, things that came up as you were going through the tutorials and you're like, man, still not sure I understand this, go ahead, post them in this discussion area here, and I will answer all those questions as they come in, okay? Then, we're going to do some paraphrasing and quoting work. Okay, so there's an exercise here. There's the assignment. This is the template. Okay, and all this is a Word document. This is the first of many Word docs you guys will encounter over the course of the semester. And to help you understand what you're supposed to do, there's a sample one. Okay, and you can see what I've got is the direct quotation from the text, and then my words and the source words identified here, okay? All I do is color code those so you can see them. If you can do that, that'll make life a little bit easier for me. If you can't figure out how to color code, not a big deal, okay? So that is just a practiced understanding the difference between paraphrasing and quoting, okay? I want to be able to see that you understand the difference between those two. Go ahead and use the scholarly article that you are using for essay number 1. Then we're going to move on. An essay 1 prep. So again, there's a template here. All this is comparing your popular and scholarly article. So looking at the stated research goal or question, the study design, the results, the caveats, and discussion. Okay, what do they say about each of these? Okay, and again, I offer you a sample here, and if you want to see the articles I'm using for mine, those are just there so you can see those articles. But here's the template. Okay, so the popular article and the scholarly article, and I go through and lay out here the differences and how they explain the results, how they explain the differences in the study design, those sorts of things. Okay, again, use your scholarly and popular articles for essay 1 for this exercise. There's the Dropbox right there. There's the Dropbox for paraphrasing quoting at the top. And then there's the template that you can download and use and a sample that shows you how to do it. Okay. And then finally, there's just a couple quick things to take a look over. How to do MLA citation and citation basics down here at the bottom as you guys get ready for the essay, which is going to be due next week, okay? So that's everything for this week. I know it looks like a lot. And like I said, this will be pretty much the typical pace we've got throughout the course of the semester, okay? If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let me know. I will be glad to help.